Alright guys, hey girl here. I wanted the next blog to be on something that is, I don't know, fondly or maybe not fondly referred to as G.A.S. G.A.S. It's Gear Acquisition Syndrome. What is G.A.S? Well, let me see. It says G.A.S usually occurs when a photographer's chosen camera manufacturer releases a new upgrade to a camera or lens that the photographer already owns. Up to that point, they had been perfectly happy with their camera and the photos it was creating. But now, all of a sudden, it seems unsuitable. As a beginner, I believe that when you first look at a camera, you have to realize that once you purchase that camera body, that you have bought into that brand, and the only way for you to progress with that brand is to upgrade in that brand. Waiting on an EOS RP, which is the entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera offered by Canon. The camera has a RF mount, but Canon, anticipating it, has a EF to RF mount. For me, it's a win-win. I don't have to immediately go out and purchase at least one decent RF lens, because I have 3 in my bag already. I've got 3 EF lenses that can mate and share data with the adapter, so I'm good to go for a while. I can play with it, see what those lenses will do. I know I'll eventually have to get some superior glass, but right now, just playing with the images that I can get, and if those images sell, if they're commercial, then the camera is doing what I want it to do, and I wanted to create slices of time. Anyway, I ordered the EOS RP from B&H. Now, this is not sponsored. I usually go through Autorama, but Autorama has their RPs on back order, and the adapter for the RP is on back order. But B&H has the RP, and it has an adapter, but it's a VLO adapter. Anyway, when I get it, I'm just waiting on the truck. When I get it, we're gonna go through it, and then we're gonna take it out and do some shooting with it to see exactly what it can do. And wow, oh, hey, right on time, fellas. Here it comes. Let me go get that EOS RP. Can't wait to get it. EOS RP has finally arrived. Okay, let's open this box, guys, and see what all the goodies we have. The RP is a full-frame mirrorless camera. The Rugged Journey 24 shoulder bag. This shoulder bag is one of 2 gifts that came with the EOS RP digital camera body. I try to take advantage of the free accessories whenever I buy a major piece of equipment, because that's one less accessory that you have to buy. Your journey begins. The Rugged Journey is specially designed for photographers on the go who want to keep their equipment organized and within reach. This classic top-loading shoulder bag comes equipped with multiple pockets, a cushioned interior, and a tough, weather-resistant shell. The interior of the Journey features padded, adjustable dividers to protect and organize your camera bodies, lenses, and flashes. With your equipment neatly arranged inside the bag, you'll be able to easily find what you need to customize your shooting setup on the fly. A mesh pocket on the inside of the flap provides storage for slim accessories like white balance cards and lens swabs. In addition to purchasing the EOS RP body, I also got a adapter so that I can mate my EF lenses to the RF mount that the EOS RP has. Along with the shoulder bag, I also got a SanDisk Extreme Pro 64 gigabyte SD card. Okay guys, let's get into the main event here and look at what this EOS RP camera has to offer. The Canon EOS RP is a 26.2 megapixel full frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera made by Canon. It was publicly announced on February 13, 2019 and was launched on March 14, 2019 with a suggested retail price of $1,299 at the time. Okay, this camera comes with a warranty. I usually don't fill out my warranties or send them in. They're good. I really try to keep all of my paperwork together in a file. The manual, user manual. Okay, so this is the battery charger, but I also believe that you can charge the battery in camera with a USB connection. Okay, and here is the camera strap. I usually don't use a strap on mine. Sometimes I will. Most of the times I don't though. The Canon EOS RP features a 26 megapixel CMOS sensor, a Digit 8 processor, and a dual pixel autofocus system with 88% by 100% coverage and eye autofocus. It has a lightweight body, 2.36 megadots EVF, 3-inch fully articulated LCD and single SD card slot that supports UHS 2 media. This camera can capture 4K 24p video with a substantial crop though, and has a HDMI and headphones and microphone socket. The reason why I purchased this camera was I had a chance to get a full frame camera for under $1,500, and I already had existing lenses, so I didn't have to purchase any lenses. That'll be in the future. So now let me go on and put this guy together. Adapter, lens, battery, SD card, and see what it'll do. Well, I think I got a pretty good deal. I got a full frame camera a lot sooner than I would have been able to, and I think that for me is better than getting all the frills and the bells and the whistles. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on and crank this guy up and see if I can take some images with it, see what's going on. Well, so I guess I'll have to charge this battery. So what I'll do is I'll charge my battery up and I'll be back with you guys in a flash.